Vlogmas day 9. I have woke up, I have showered, I've had my breakfast. I had puri for breakfast today. Today I am thinking we will start the declutter work because it's going to be a very long journey. I have so many things to declutter. The house is a complete mess right now. So I'm thinking first I'll start with the wardrobe because the wardrobe is never like this so bad. I hope you can hear me because the fan is on and also the door is open. So I hope you can hear me, but I'm thinking I will do wardrobe declutter first because there are so many things just hanging from the wardrobe and it's not in place, which is definitely not me. Usually I try to keep my wardrobe slightly color coded and also in place, but today it is like a huge mess which I will be showing in some time. Eventually I will start decluttering a lot of things, although like I did that a few months back, so I have given away most of the things which I don't need. Example clothes, example shoes. I just gave like 2-3 big bags like few months back to the help, like to people who need it and everything. So I have done that. Still I have a lot of decluttering work left to do, so I will be starting that today. This was like an ever pending work, guys. I was thinking when should I start, when should I start. I think it's almost like 9 days since we started Vlogmas, so I think it's the right time to also start it. I hope you watched yesterday's Vlogmas. That was Vlogmas day 8. We came back I think very late. That's why if you've also seen the Instagram reel for my 10k steps, you would have seen that for the first time I did few steps past 12 am, which is definitely not me because I usually finish it somehow before 12 am. But like I said, I don't mind it. It's okay even if it's 12 past few minutes and still I've completed my 10,000 steps. That's what matters. So I think I did 9,000 before 12 am and after that 1,000 steps were left, which I did after 12 am, and I did around 12:20. And I was very exhausted from the shopping. Actually, I was very exhausted. I have not even done a haul because I came and immediately I started walking and I had to complete my steps. So, and after that I had to like do the reels, I had to like edit the vlog. So it was a lot and I slept by 2 am. And usually when you go street shopping, your feet is so sore after that because like you've done a lot of like walking. There's so much crowd because it was a Sunday. So I posted the vlog, please go and check it out. And back home, actually it was so cold again. It was very cold. I'd worn a sweater, but then I didn't take like a scarf or anything like that, so it was freezing cold and me and my mom were sharing a shawl literally. I didn't do a haul yet, but I will definitely do a haul very soon on that. We got a lot of like nice things from there, so I will do a haul sometime soon and we will start with decluttering today, okay? Okay guys, this is the current situation of my wardrobe, which is so bad and I didn't even want to show on camera because it is just everywhere. I think I was always trying to find out red, white and like blue clothes and then I just messed up everything. And this is one more towards the right that you will see. I also have clothes there. There's also another wardrobe section in that room, so and that again has compartments like this. So I have freaking too many clothes and I also keep shopping, but you know what, I will still see if there's something to give away, or at least I want to like set it properly so that I can take things properly and arrange it in a manner where it is like easy for me to choose and select every day. So this is the wardrobe currently and we will start arranging it one by one and let's see how it goes. Guys, taking out the clothes itself was so exhausting. So I think first I will do this section and this I might do tomorrow because I don't think I have that much time. It's also a working day, plus I might go to office. So I want to finish little and then I will head out to office, and maybe if I have time I'll do it in the night or I will do it tomorrow. I've already removed all the clothes from here like you can see and it is empty, but there are old newspapers below. You can also put aesthetic sheets if you get, but then I don't have that, so I'm going to put newspaper again. I'm going to remove the old newspaper and then I'm going to wipe it with a neat cloth like this. Then I'm going to put napkin balls and then I will start arranging all the clothes. Just taking the old newspaper but still fresh, and then I'm gonna fold it a bit so that it takes the length and width of that cupboard, and then I'm gonna place it. Taking 2 naphthalene balls, one on this corner and one on that corner.
This one, guys, I got from H&M Amsterdam and I didn't even wear it much because it looks very pretty. The colors are very nice, but it is very pokey inside. So I can wear it like with a full sleeve top, but otherwise, and that in a very cold place, but otherwise not much of use. But still, I wear it sometimes. I won't for 1 or 2 videos, I guess, but I'll keep it at the bottom. This one, my sister's friend had given when we went to her house in Mumbai. And I never wore it actually, so maybe if I go to a beach place or something, then I might wear it. It's a very pretty one. Also on another note, I have so many new tops which I have not worn. I don't know why. And still I went and purchased yesterday. So I think I should stop purchasing and also collect all the new ones towards one corner so that I'll remember next time that these have not been worn so far. Yeah, I have a couple of them that I have not worn so far. Okay, this is how I'm arranging. At the back there are winter clothes and also the clothes that I don't wear much. In the left and right corner in front I'm keeping my office wear, and in the middle I'll be keeping my Friday wear. So like casual t-shirts and casual shirts I'll be placing at the center here. And guys, my ethnic wear, my party wear and a lot of like jackets are in that room. I also have in suitcases. It's a lot of clothes for one person, I do know that, but I am still setting it and seeing like what all I have, what all I need to give away, and you know, things that I need to start wearing. So the party wear, the ethnic wear and also like Indo-Western dresses or any like jackets or like scarves and everything is in that room. When I declutter that, I think I will show it, but I'm not very sure. After I've done this, I'm definitely going to do that room as well.
Okay guys, for some of the tops I'm also using hangers so that I can place them. Construction has started, sorry. So that I can also place them like this and hang it there so that I'll have more space, because already you can see it's overflowing. In the hanger I color coded. So this is the white and the grays, then I'm doing blue, I'm doing black. So I'll just hang them up there. Okay guys, the top section is now done. Might not be the most aesthetic one, but at least I can see what is where, and at least it's organized in a proper manner now. So I set the winter wear and the ones that I don't wear much at the back, and at the left and right I have my office wear. At the center I have my casuals or like t-shirts like which I wear for Friday, and in the hanger I have like tops by color code like the black, the pink, the blue and like the whites and the greys as well. So that is how I have set my wardrobe. It took some time actually. It's a lot of work actually setting and organizing your wardrobe, but it makes you feel so nice. This organizing is something that I personally like, and I think this is also the right time for you as well to declutter, organize, set up your space in whatever way you want. I think it's the right time to do all these things. It's the end of year, Christmas is coming.
So you want to make sure you're organizing your wardrobe, a dressing table, your house in general or whatever it could be.
So yeah, this is a reminder for you to like declutter and like organize your space as well. And I will be doing this section later and the others as well. I'll be doing the other places where I have my clothes, but I might not be vlogging everything that I'm organizing. This thing I definitely wanted to show you.
A lot of people have actually asked me like, you never repeat your clothes. This is why and I still keep shopping. Maybe I should stop, but nevertheless I am happy about organizing the first place because it was in a very bad condition, and I generally don't let it till that stage. I think with a lot of like vlogs going on and like constantly I was finding out Christmassy clothes and everything, I was just like hunting everything, and then everything got a mess. And I think ever since the Netherlands trip, right, like it has been like a mess because I didn't have the time to come and do it, and also back and forth, so many things were going on. So now is when I got the time and I organized it, and I'm feeling very happy. So the others I will do later.
So yes guys, do organize your space, do declutter, see what you need, what you don't need. Let's have an organized, amazing looking space. That's what we look for. I think I might end the vlog as well here because now I'm going to get ready and head to office, and after coming back home I'm definitely going to edit this vlog and put it up, or even before that maybe. And I will also be completing the 10k steps. That's the plan for today. So my mom has already made lunch which I'm going to have. I'll be ending the vlog here guys, and I hope you like this decluttering, organizing vlog that you saw today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow in Vlogmas day 10. My god, 10th day. I'm feeling very like, you know, oh my god, like that. But I will see you in Vlogmas day 10 guys. Bye guys.